Welcome Daipiso Gong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wondered what really happens when an AI agent gets its hands on your systems? It's not just about fancy text generation anymore. These agents can actually do things, call tools, remember stuff, change things. That's why just checking if the answer is right or the tone is safe isn't enough for serious places like businesses, government, schools, or hospitals. We need a way to see inside the black box. Enter the Deaky white box audit. So what's this DeepQ thing? Think of it as the agent's five-finger file, but way more insightful. D is data, what raw info does it touch? I is information, how does it tell facts from opinions, rules from exceptions? K is knowledge, which rules, evidence, and models does it use? W is wisdom, how does it handle tricky value conflicts like safety versus speed? And P is purpose, what's its actual mission, and is it sticking to it? A white box audit means we track all these steps, every single one, so there are no hidden corners where things go wrong. It's about seeing the whole process, not just the final output. Okay, so how do we actually run this audit? Not just once, but as a pilot. We use a phased approach, think of it as a carefully choreographed dance. First, shadow phase. The agent watches, learns, reads everything but doesn't touch anything. We see how it understands tasks. Second, sandbox phase. Now it plays in a controlled sandbox or simulation. We throw curveballs, test if it drifts off course, misuses tools, or gets confused by bad data. Third, limited live. Tiny real-world tests with strict human oversight, pause buttons, and rollback plans. The absolute top priority here is proving we can control it before we even talk about making it useful. And remember cap and kill conditions. Some failures are deal breakers, no averaging them out. Now, who's actually doing all this? This isn't a solo act. You need a whole team on deck. Business sponsor sets the goal, system owner manages the tech, data guardian watches the data, safety net ensures accountability. Crucially, before launch, everyone needs to agree. If something goes wrong, who responds? If the RAG system pulls outdated policy, who updates the knowledge base? If the agent gives a student a weird evaluation, who tells the teacher and parent? If a medical chatbot misunderstands symptoms, who steps in? If these questions have no clear answers, the pilot has technical responsibility, but lacks real organizational ownership. Everyone needs skin in the game. Finally, what proof do we need to back this all up? Your audit evidence package must cover 5 critical areas. Design evidence, show the blueprints, architecture, versions of models, prompts, tools, permissions. Runtime logs, the actual action logs, every request, tool call, retrieval, output, error, approval, kill signal, recovery action. Evaluation samples, test cases, golden standard examples, tricky negative ones, adversarial inputs, expert reviews. Repair trail, how do you fix things? Document the full incident repair loop, isolate, retract, correct, update, prevent recurrence. And organizational evidence, who's accountable? Approval records, responsibility matrices, data authorizations, user notifications, exit strategies. Miss any of these and your audit is incomplete, potentially blocked or capped. That's the essence of the Deaky white box audit.